This year's iPhones may have in-screen Touch ID. We've heard this.
Mm-hmm.
We heard this. You know what? Everybody has got the masks going on now. The face is blocked. The Face ID has been compromised by the masks. And the time is right for us to go back to the Touch ID.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it didn't happen in this generation. Probably couldn't get it ready to go fast enough. But we've seen the in-display technologies. They're fine.
Yeah, they work. I use it all the time.
They
on
work.
My S20.
You're in-display.
Yeah.
You're an in-display guy, so Apple can do it. I don't know what standard they feel that they have to meet, but definitely there's a push right now. And I'll tell you the worst part, because I have been using an iPhone. It's actually not unlocking it with the mask, because often when I'm unlocking it, I'm over here. I don't have the mask, but it's when you're trying to pay for something. If you're trying to use Apple Pay,
Right.
because then it's meant to be fast, and with the Face ID, it works great. Double tap. It's unlocked, you're ready to pay. But without having that, it's that extra step of not just typing the PIN code immediately, because Apple Pay will try the face unlock first. Then you have to click pay with passcode because it didn't see the face. So you're one click deep, and then you're into the password. You're deep. And the
Yeah.
person is there, they're just,
And then now you're just sad.
you're sad again.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the person, I used that in a clip the other day. I was like, Samsung got rid of MST payments, and now I'm sad.
Yeah.
I was just trying to be direct with it, Will. I wasn't trying to, it wasn't even comedy.
I hear you.
It wasn't even comedy. So anyway, as other parts of this report, started with Bloomberg. They got some, all kinds of Apple-related reports flying out. Mark Gurman doing work over there. So it's not just a Face ID that's supposed to, or Touch ID that's supposed to show up on the next generation in display. But apparently also they may get rid of the charge port. You've heard this rumor as well. I guess now it's starting to heat up even further, that with the introduction of the potential for wireless charging, or the new wireless charge products, MagSafe products, the rumor of them going back to MagSafe for the laptops as well, big play on magnets, get rid of the port. So you could see an in-display fingerprint reader and a portless iPhone 13. Other thing, they might not call it the 13, Willie do.
No.
They may come back to the S topic and just go with
like
the
a
12,
TikTok method?
12S, because it's not, I mean, the form factor is going to be identical. But I feel like they haven't used the S in a while. When's the last S? Not the 12, obviously not the 12 yet. 11 didn't have it.
10S?
They did it with the 10.
The 10, yeah.
10S. They're ready for the next S.
Uh-huh.
So anyway, it could be the 12S. Keep that in mind.